What's up? This is Matt out here at Elite Auto Sales in Wichita, Kansas. I'm going to take a moment to showcase you this beautiful, awesome 2013 Hyundai Tucson that we just got in. And you see the exterior here is super duper nice. There's even a dash cover in there. The previous owner really loved this thing and really took good care of it. We'll start at the trunk here. Baby. Nice clean interior. Big spacious trunk. Check out the back seat here. It's like nobody even sat in it. It's got the awesome window guard things. Little blind spot mirror. Super clean interior again. Ooh, it even smells pretty. It's got heated seats too. It's going to fire on up. Oh. 72,811 miles. Ooh, and it fires right up too. This baby's barely broken in. Oh yeah, nice car for sure. If you want to come by and take it for a spin, please give us a call, 316-895-2818. Come on by, Elite Auto Sales in Wichita, Kansas. And from all of us here, we're looking forward to assisting you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.